Okay, welcome to our second video of Illustrator training. Today I'm going to show you how to make a radial sun. So let's get started. I'm going to start off by using the pen tool and just drawing a simple shape like the rays of the sun here. So draw a couple points. And I'll start drawing the rays out here. Alright, so there's my ray. And return to my selection tool and hit Shift X. What that'll do is reverse foreground and stroke color. So now we have a fill, and now we're just going to repeat this and make this a radial step. So I'm going to use the rotate tool. With it selected, I'm going to hit R on the keyboard to select the rotate tool. And this is the area in which it'll rotate on an axis. So I'm going to move this kind of towards the center. I'm going to click once. Then I'm going to hover over the shape and hold Alt or Option on the Mac, and I'm going to click and drag one out. And I'll leave it about right there. And I'm going to use a shortcut to repeat this step, which is Command D. And you'll see as I press it, it'll create more rays of the sun around. So I'm going to select all these. Move this up. So now we have the rays of the sun that we need. And now all we need to do is make the circle on the inside. So I'm going to use the ellipse tool, or L, on the keyboard. And I'm going to draw a circle. Try to cover up all the interior parts of the little radial pattern, or the rays there. So now we're all set. We have our circle, and now we need to apply a gradient like this, a radial gradient. So the default in the gradient palette would be a black to white gradient. So I've already created this radial gradient from red to orange to a bright yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and select the object and simply just click in the gradient, and it'll apply it. But now I want to apply this gradient to a different part of this circle. So I'm going to use the gradient tool, or G on the keyboard, and I'm just going to move this around. And I'm actually going to start a new one. I'm just going to click and drag. Then I can move this around a little bit to how I want it. About right there. And there you go. There's your radial sun.